Polygon is one of the most widely used networks in all of crypto, powering everything from payments to gaming to major brand partnerships. But a lot of people who hear the name are not entirely sure what Polygon actually is or how it works. Let us break it down on an educational level. Polygon is a blockchain platform built for speed, low cost, and flexibility. It processes transactions quickly and cheaply, which makes it useful for everything from small everyday payments to large-scale applications that need to handle a high volume of activity without slowing down or becoming expensive to use. Polygon launched in 2017 under the name Matic Network and rebranded to Polygon in 2021 as the project expanded beyond a single network into a broader ecosystem of interconnected technologies. At its core, Polygon uses a system where a network of validators confirms and processes transactions. These validators stake tokens as a form of collateral, and in return for securing the network and validating transactions honestly, they earn rewards. If a validator acts dishonestly, they risk losing the tokens they staked, which creates a strong incentive to act in the network's best interest. This validator-based system allows Polygon to process a large number of transactions quickly, often confirming activity in just seconds, at a fraction of a cent per transaction. That combination of speed and low cost is a big part of why Polygon has become popular with both everyday users and large-scale applications. One of the most important pieces of modern Polygon is something called zero-knowledge technology, often shortened to ZK technology. This is a cryptographic method that allows large batches of transactions to be verified together using a single mathematical proof, rather than checking every transaction one at a time. Think of it like a teacher grading one summary answer that mathematically proves an entire stack of homework was done correctly, instead of grading every single page individually. This makes the verification process dramatically faster and more efficient, while still maintaining a very high level of security and accuracy. Polygon has built multiple chains and products around this zero-knowledge technology, each optimized for different use cases, while sharing the same underlying cryptographic approach. One of Polygon's most important recent developments is something called the AggLayer, short for aggregation layer. As Polygon has grown, it has expanded from a single network into multiple interconnected chains, each built for different purposes. The AggLayer is designed to unify all of these chains, allowing them to share liquidity and communicate with each other as if they were one connected network rather than separate, isolated systems. This matters because one of the biggest challenges in crypto is fragmentation, where value and users get spread thin across many disconnected networks. The AggLayer is Polygon's answer to that problem, aiming to let multiple chains function together seamlessly from a user's perspective. Polygon has built a reputation for practical, everyday use cases. Its low transaction costs and fast speeds have made it a popular choice for payments, in-game purchases, digital collectibles, and decentralized finance applications where users need to move value quickly and cheaply. Polygon has also attracted partnerships with major global brands experimenting with blockchain technology, using it for things like loyalty programs, ticketing, and digital ownership initiatives. This kind of mainstream, real-world adoption has set Polygon apart from many purely speculative crypto projects. Polygon's native token was originally called Matic and has since transitioned to a new token called Pol. This token plays several key roles within the ecosystem. It is used to pay transaction fees on the network, it is staked by validators to help secure the system, and it is designed to eventually power security and coordination across Polygon's growing family of interconnected chains, including those unified through the AggLayer. Token holders who delegate their tokens to validators can also earn staking rewards, giving everyday holders a way to participate in securing the network and earning yield at the same time. Polygon's core strength is combining speed, low cost, and real-world usability into a single ecosystem. Rather than being a purely theoretical or experimental project, it has built a track record of practical applications used by everyday people, developers, and major companies alike. Its ongoing work on zero-knowledge technology and the AggLayer also positions it as infrastructure aiming to solve one of crypto's biggest long-term challenges, connecting many different chains into a more unified, efficient system. As with any crypto project, Polygon carries real risks. Its zero-knowledge and multi-chain architecture is technically complex, and complexity always introduces potential points of failure as new systems are built and rolled out. Competition is also a factor since other networks are working on similar scaling and interoperability solutions. And like any crypto asset, Pol is subject to significant price volatility tied to broader market conditions. Polygon has grown from a single fast, low-cost network into a broader ecosystem built around zero-knowledge technology and cross-chain unification. With a strong track record of real-world adoption, from everyday payments to major brand partnerships, Polygon has positioned itself as one of the most practically used networks in the entire crypto industry. This is not financial advice, just financial education. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next breakdown. See you in the next video.